Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with spare tire and carrier, full walk-on roof, double step entry, LED exterior lighting, backup camera ready, outside kitchen refrigerator, flip down travel rack, stabilizer jacks, outside shower, outside storage, digital TV antenna, solar power prep, outside speakers, living area sofa, detachable power cord, shower skylight, carbon monoxide detector, overhead kitchen storage, bedside power outlets, interior speakers, entry grab handle, dual lights over headboard, front bedroom, flush mount gas range cover, dual bedroom nightstands, bathroom toilet, USB charging station, pleated shades, overhead storage. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.